Hello, friends. So, 2 weeks ago, we got hit with a snowstorm. And guess what was left behind? Whew. So this is another test of this DIY detail coating. Now you're probably wondering why I would even think this was a good idea with an 8-year coating. I want to know how it does. And if it ruins it, you guys, I know how to do coatings, so it's okay. But I also have a lot of faith in this coating. 2 weeks ago, the snow fell and the ice. We had a lot of ice. And then it was so cold, we couldn't do anything. And now it's finally warm enough that I can come out. So this is going to be about as generic as it gets. I'm going to clean my wheels with my little handmade mitt, and then I have my other mitts that I'm going to wash with. But before I wash, I want to see how well just putting some soap on there and letting it kind of sit and then maybe rinsing it off will do. Obviously, I don't want to do a rinseless wash on this pickup, which is what I'm doing, without getting some of that salt mitigated. So I'm going to use the Incredible Suds in my hand pump sprayer to just kind of mitigate it a little bit. And then I'll continue on with the rinseless. I don't want a lot of residue left over. Normally, I would do this with an APC rinse, and that will take care of it. But this time, I'm going to try it this way and see how well it does. So put some soap on there. And I said I might rinse it off, and the reason why is because I might go ahead and do the rinseless on it. I don't know. Let's see how it does on this portion. Well, I think it looks good. There's a little bit of soap in my pump sprayer. And the rinseless took it off along with that stuff, and looks like it beat it up. It did exactly what it was supposed to. Oh, looks like a much different pickup truck. Even for having to do it the hard way because my pump sprayer wasn't working. Dang it. It's looking good. There's a few spots on that roof and that windshield, but I'm not going to get the stuff out to clean it. That windshield will be fine. But for anybody who thinks that you can't do a rinseless wash. And yes, I did use a little bit of soap, but let me tell you, when I filled up my pump sprayer, that little thing right there, I used probably less than the rinseless that I used in each bucket. It's looking pretty good. No, we didn't get the wheel wells or anything like that, but we got that salt off of the paint. And that is what I was looking for. Now, I did cover it with Titan from Phoenix COD, but it's looking good. Now, I did the wheels as I finished up my bucket. So, and when I switched out, or just before I did, I used my little wheel mitt and washed the wheels just to get that stuff off there. But it's gonna be fine.